is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job these things are light. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor. Morning guys, it's currently, what is it, 9:45. I have been awake and about for a while, but Duncan was on a business call, so I couldn't record while he was on the call. He's always on a call at 9 to whatever, doing the morning stuff that they have to do. So I can never record at that point unless I go upstairs. And well, quite frankly, when I come back down, I didn't want to get back up there again because I'm tired. Had a rough night's sleep. But I'm obsessed with this headband and the scarf style ones. Look, another top. I'm all fringy today. I found one top that I'm going to have to adjust, the pink and green one. It's okay around the tummy area, but it's a bit big around the bust area because, let's face it, I'm not a big lass up there. So I need to adjust that. But you will get annoyed with me moving this around. I bet you wish I had it on a tripod. That's too much hassle to set up a tripod every time and then pack it away again while I'm filming in here. There's not enough room to leave it up. So I don't know what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do a final read through of my TMA. I did do a bunch on it yesterday, so in theory it is finished. I just wanted to read through it one more time before I sent it off, and then that leaves me the week to do some craft stuff. I've obviously got my actual study to do as well, but I can do that in small sections and just enjoy doing some craft stuff. So I don't know. I don't know whether I'll do one of these puzzles or whether I'll get some yarn dyed or finish off some of them more on the lace shawl or the rings of change, which I haven't had a chance to work on for a while. See whatever takes my fancy really, and see what I'm awake enough to do. So I will see you all later. You take care. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm in the very cold garage, just doing some dyeing. I've either going to end up with a nice gradient colour going from dark red to light red, or I'm going to have a very complicated way of doing a single colour. To see how it goes, shall we? I'll show you what I mean. So I started with this one with the strongest depth of colour, 2%, and then I went down a percentage, well, not a whole percentage obviously, to attempt to give a gradient. You can see the string over. I've got 2 skeins in each, 200 gram skeins, but the colours split over half each. So I just went down in grade. So I poured this one from the full bottle, and then I topped up the bottle to give more water for this one, and then topped up again for this one, and topped up again for this one. So each time the colour got diluted down, so from 2% down. This is first, second, third and fourth, and we'll see how that works. But I don't know. We'll have to wait and see how it goes, but I think you can see the difference between that one and that one, hopefully. I only have 2 thermometers, so I've got them on this one and that one because they're actually the lowest, the smaller rings on this. One of these sounds like it's getting a little too hot. It's going to be this one. Let's turn that one down a little. But it's getting there. If that one's getting too hot, this one probably is. So let's turn that down a little. I'll check the thermometers in a second, but hopefully they're cooking away lovely. Made a little mess, but they're used to me dyeing in the kitchen now. Not the kitchen, the garage. I have a shelving unit with all of my dye stuff. The hobs usually live here. That's not normally there. I've just put them there out of the way for the minute. And there's my little mini oven that I used to use for Fimo, which I now use for thing. It's a tumble dryer door left open. Shall we close that? I'm literally squished in between the tumble dryer and the washing machine. Behind this shelf is actually our door. I don't know if you can see. You just sort of see that's our door out to the back garden. Luckily we have another door in the kitchen because otherwise we wouldn't be getting out. But this is, you know, in my mess of a garage. my electric bike's in the middle there. So I'm gonna go because I need to check them. They sound like they're getting a little too hot, so I need to check the temperature. But fingers crossed it goes well. See you later. Hi guys. So I'm in my coffee, but I've got to be quiet because Duncan's just gone on call the second I picked up the camera. You're going to have to excuse the mess in here. People have been using it as a dumping ground again. But I've got the yarn drying, so I thought I'd just give you a little show. So this one here is the merino, and so this is the darker one to the lightest, which hopefully you can see. It's not showing on my camera, but this one is much lighter than that one. That one is much darker. But that's the merino, so we go from dark to light. And then this side is the last of my blue face Leicester. So that's dark to light, so if I can compare those two. Don't know if you can see that. But once it's dry and I've got better sunlight, I will show you. But they are there, drying. Turn around me. I have this giant box in here because my son, my middle one, decided he needed a TV that took up his entire wall in his bedroom, and he dumped the box in here. The box is literally bigger than me, which is a pain in the bum. But oops, switch hands. Yeah, so that's just drying. So hopefully tomorrow it will be dry. Don't know though. It depends on how much heating we have on to whether it will get warm enough in here to dry in a day. Hopefully it will, otherwise I'll have to take it into the other room to dry a bit as well. Sorry, just watching my middle son just come downstairs, just checking what he wanted. So yeah, I'm going to go because I can't really talk much while he's on the calls, but I just wanted to show you what that is. And when I can record again in a minute, hopefully, I will show you what I'm currently working on. See you in a bit. He's off his call. So what I'm working on here is I'm just working on a new potential sticker. One of Malachi's online friends has pet frogs and she kept sending him cute photos, and I asked her if I could use them as bases for stickers, and she sent me loads of photos. So I will show you the photo I'm working off of and what I've done so far. So I'll just turn this around. So hopefully you can see that. It's not black and white, it is coloured. I don't know why my screen is showing it not coloured. Guess it's something to do with the lighting, I don't know. But isn't he cute? So this is the current drawing of it. So getting there slowly, still got a lot to do. So I've blocked in some basic colours, but I've still got a lot of the actual shading and things to do. But slowly. So hopefully that and a bunch of other ones in the series will be done soon for little stickers, and possibly I might come up with some basic ones for some colouring pages. I don't know yet. We'll see. But that's what I'm currently working on. So I will see you later. Bye. Hi guys. So I'm gonna call this the end of the vlog for the day. Duncan's gone off with Kurt to get dinner. Kurt's rent payment today, so he's buying us dinner. That's how he pays his rent. He buys us a meal once a month, which is nice, so they've gone to get that. I've been working on the frog, but my computer's memory and RAM is now starting to bitch and working. I draw a line and it takes several seconds for that line to appear, so it's time to let my computer stop for a while. So I'm going to go over and crochet. So I thought I'll show you what I've got done so far. The frog is basically done. There's some outlining and things that need doing, so I've just started blocking in the colours for the wood now, so I can turn this around and show you. There we go. So as you see, I've just literally started blocking in the colour for the shape and the depth of the wood. But the frog is mostly done. Needs the outlining doing, but that will be done on a separate layer later. But otherwise it's done. So I'm going to leave that there. And I've hit something on the screen again. I have no idea why I keep hitting on the screen when I turn this around. But yeah, so I'm happy with it. I think it's coming along nicely. So I'm just gonna keep working on it slowly, but from tomorrow, give my computer a rest now, shut it down and let it recover for a bit, because these are quite large files, so my computer can't handle them all in one go. So I'll have to shut this down in order to edit the vlog anyway, because otherwise my computer will just cry at me. So I will see you all tomorrow, hopefully. I'll probably be working more on this, maybe do some crochet. I may dye some more yarn, I don't know. My kitchen is a mess, I'm sorry. But yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. Ow, I switched one arm, but the other arm hurts worse. Never mind. I hope you're having a good week anyway. I know it's only Monday, and Mondays are never particularly great, but you know, this whole year's been a Monday, so let's make the best as we can. So, don't forget to pop over to Instagram and Facebook so you can keep an eye on what I'm doing, and chat and share what you're doing. And thanks for all my new subscribers, and likes and comments and everything else. It's lovely to have you all on board. Quick note on the comments. YouTube is having a funny 5 minutes that's been lasting several days now, and some people are commenting, but it won't let me access the comments. It gives me a notification to say they've commented, but when I go to it, it's this comment's not available, and it's happened to a few different people now, but for no valuable reason, because some people who comment minutes later has come through just fine. So I don't know what's going on. So if I haven't responded to you, it's because YouTube is having funny 5 minutes and not allowing me to respond. So I don't know if they're showing up on the front end and I just can't see them from the back end. I have no idea. But that's YouTube for you. Oh well, I'm gonna go. I'll see you tomorrow. You take care. Bye.